I'm going to show you how to connect to GoDaddy Live Chat in just a few minutes. Whether you need quick help with an issue or just want more information about GoDaddy's products and services, Live Chat is one of the fastest ways to get the answers you need. Let's get started. First, head over to the GoDaddy homepage. This is your main hub for everything: domains, hosting, email, and marketing tools. Take a quick look around if you're not familiar. It's designed to keep all the essentials right at your fingertips. Next, go to the Products section. This is where you'll see an overview of all the services connected to your account, from domain names to hosting plans. You'll usually find this link at the top menu or sidebar, depending on GoDaddy's current layout. Once you're in the Products area, look toward the top corner of the page for the question mark icon. That's the Help and Support button. Clicking on it will open up several support options. From there, select Contact Us. This will take you to GoDaddy's central support page, which is the main hub for reaching their customer care team. Now here comes the key part. On the Contact page, look for the Chat Now button. Click it, and you'll be asked to enter some basic details like your name or account info. This helps the support agent give you help that's tailored to your specific needs. And that's it. You're now connected directly with a GoDaddy support representative through live chat. It's quick, convenient, and perfect if you don't feel like waiting on hold for a phone call. Thanks for watching. I hope this walkthrough made it easier for you to connect with GoDaddy's live chat support. If it did, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials.